Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a quick baseline before deeper tweaks. First, check your signal strength and note the dBm or number of bars so you can measure improvement. Once done, restart your phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds. That forces a fresh registration with the nearest tower. Make sure to remove thick cases or move near a window for a quick retest, because physical obstruction often cuts throughput. These early steps reveal whether issues are environmental or need configuration. Now you'll optimize software factors that slowly drain network performance. You should disable background app refresh and restrict cellular use for known heavy apps. This frees bandwidth and reduces latency. Next, set your preferred network mode. Select 5G for capacity or 4G if 5G is unreliable. Switching can stabilize speeds. Make sure carrier settings and the phone OS are up to date because updates fix handshake problems. Finally, avoid simultaneous, large uploads or downloads. For persistent problems, move to advanced fixes. You can install a certified signal booster or request a carrier femtosel to improve indoor coverage. These change the radio environment rather than the phone. Try an alternate SIM or temporarily switch carriers to isolate network-level issues and run speed tests at peak and off-peak times to compare. If nothing helps, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because corrupt system states can throttle radios. Troubleshooting tip: if speeds drop only in one place,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.